Ever felt overwhelmed by stress and in dire need of relaxation? Life, as we know it, is a whirlwind of activities, responsibilities, and ever-mounting pressures. In this fast-paced world, stress has become our unwelcome companion, often leaving us feeling drained, overwhelmed, and in desperate need of a breather. But how often do we actually allow ourselves to pause and truly relax? Not as often as we should, and that's a problem. You see, stress isn't just an unpleasant feeling. It's a silent saboteur that, left unchecked, can wreak havoc on our physical health, mental well-being, relationships, and overall quality of life. It can lead to a host of issues like insomnia, anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, and even heart disease. It can fog our minds, making it difficult to think clearly, make decisions, or even enjoy the simple pleasures of life. But here's the good news. There's a powerful tool at our disposal that can help us manage stress and achieve a sense of inner peace and relaxation. Any guesses? Yes, it's meditation. Meditation is not just a trendy buzzword that's been making rounds on social media. It's an age-old practice that's been backed by science for its profound benefits on our body and mind. Meditation helps us to slow down, to tune out the noise of the outside world, to reconnect with ourselves. It allows us to cultivate mindfulness, to live in the present moment, to appreciate the here and now. It can help us to cultivate a sense of calm and balance, to recharge our batteries, to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. If you're thinking, that sounds great, but I don't have the time, or I've tried it before and it didn't work, bear with us. Meditation doesn't have to be time-consuming or difficult. It's not about silencing your thoughts or achieving some mystical state of enlightenment. It's about finding a moment of stillness amidst the chaos, a moment of peace amidst the turmoil. If you find yourself nodding along, then this video will introduce you to a simple yet effective meditation technique. What comes to your mind when you hear the term meditation? Is it an image of someone sitting cross-legged, eyes closed, in a state of absolute stillness, their mind a complete void? While that might be a popular depiction, it's not entirely accurate. Let's debunk some common misconceptions. First and foremost, meditation is not about emptying your mind. It's not about reaching a state where you're thinking about absolutely nothing. If you've ever tried to do that, you'll know it's nearly impossible. And more importantly, that's not the goal of meditation. Meditation is about focus. It's about calming your mind, not clearing it. It's about learning to direct your attention to one thing, and when your mind does wander, as it inevitably will, gently guiding it back without judgment. It's about being present in the moment, not lost in past regrets or future worries. Another misconception is that meditation is a religious or spiritual practice. While it is a part of many spiritual traditions, it is not inherently religious. It's a mental exercise, a tool that anyone, regardless of beliefs, can use to cultivate mindfulness and reduce stress. Some believe that meditation requires a lot of time, hours upon hours spent in solitude. That's not true either. Even a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. It's not about the length of time you meditate, but the consistency. Lastly, there's a notion that meditation is a cure-all, a magic bullet for all life's problems. It's not. It's a tool, a very useful one, but it's not a substitute for professional help in dealing with serious mental health issues. So, what is meditation? It's a practice, a journey of learning to be more aware, more present, more mindful. It's about finding a sense of calm amidst the chaos, a moment of peace in our fast-paced lives. Now that we have a basic understanding of meditation, it's time to learn a simple technique. Ready to embark on a journey towards tranquility and peace? Well, let's begin by setting the stage. Imagine your mind as a stage and your thoughts as the actors. To enjoy the play, the stage needs to be well-lit, quiet, and comfortable. Similarly, to meditate effectively, you need a space that is quiet and comfortable. This could be a corner of your room, your garden, or even a park nearby. The key is to find a place where you won't be easily distracted. Now, let's talk about posture. You've probably seen images of people meditating in the lotus position, legs crossed, back straight, palms resting on knees. But let's debunk a myth. You don't have to sit in any specific position to meditate. The goal is to be comfortable but alert. If you're more comfortable sitting on a chair, go for it. If you prefer lying down, that's fine too. Just make sure your back is straight and you're not in a position where you might fall asleep. Next, let's talk about what to do with your hands. You can place them on your knees if you're sitting cross-legged, or in your lap if you're on a chair. There's no right or wrong way as long as you're comfortable. Now, onto your eyes. Some people prefer to meditate with their eyes closed to avoid visual distractions. Others prefer to keep them slightly open, focusing on a specific point in the room. Again, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with both and see what works best for you. Finally, let's discuss clothing. Wear something loose and comfortable. You don't want to be distracted by a tight waistband or an itchy label. Remember, the goal of meditation is to minimize distractions so you can focus on your thoughts and breathing. Now that we're comfortable, let's delve into the actual meditation technique. Are you seated comfortably and ready to learn? Great, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to explore a simple and effective meditation technique that centers around your breath. This technique is perfect for beginners and seasoned meditators alike, and it's something you can practice anytime, anywhere. Let's begin. Close your eyes gently, allowing yourself to settle into the moment. Start by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, traveling down into your lungs and filling them like a balloon. Hold that breath for a brief moment and then exhale slowly, releasing every bit of tension with it. As you breathe out, envision the warm air exiting your body, carrying with it any stress, worry, or negative thoughts that may have been residing within you. Feel your body growing lighter and more relaxed with each exhale. Now, let's add a silent count to this process. As you inhale, count 1 in your mind. Hold your breath momentarily, and then as you exhale, count 2. Repeat this process, counting each inhale and exhale until you reach 10. Once you reach 10, start again at 1. This counting is not just a means to measure your breaths, but a tool to maintain your focus. Each time your mind wanders off, which it inevitably will, bring your attention back to the counting. This simple technique of focused breathing and counting can help you cultivate a sense of calm and centeredness. It allows you to stay present in the moment, free from the distractions of the past or anxieties about the future. Remember, it's perfectly normal for your mind to wander. The key is to gently bring your focus back to your breath. The beauty of meditation lies not in achieving a perfectly still mind, but in the practice of returning to the present moment again and again. So, be patient with yourself. Practice this simple technique regularly and witness the positive changes it brings to your life. How do you feel after your first meditation session? You might feel relaxed, calm, or even a little bit different. But remember, it's just the beginning. Meditation, like any other practice, thrives on consistency. It's not about having one colossal, life-changing session. It's about showing up for yourself, day after day. Imagine meditation as a seed you've just planted. You can't expect it to grow into a beautiful tree after just one day of watering, right? It needs consistent care, regular watering, and plenty of sunshine. The same goes for your meditation practice. You need to nurture it every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Sure, there will be days when it feels challenging to sit still or quiet the mind. But don't let that deter you. Keep coming back to your practice. Show up, breathe, and be present. With consistency, you'll soon start to notice the benefits of meditation in your daily life. So, are you ready to make meditation a part of your daily routine? Let's quickly remind ourselves of what we've learned today. We've discovered the importance of relaxation in our fast-paced lives and the incredible role meditation plays in achieving this. We've unraveled the concept of meditation, understanding it as a tool for mindfulness and self-awareness. We took our first steps into the world of meditation, learning how to prepare our environment and our minds. We've explored a simple yet powerful meditation technique that anyone can practice. And lastly, we've emphasized the importance of consistency in reaping the full benefits of meditation. Remember, meditation can be a transformative practice, helping us manage stress, promote relaxation, and ultimately lead a more peaceful life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on meditation and stress management. Remember, a calm mind is a peaceful mind.